Create a new font. Check Enable Width. Click Font and select Edit. Before starting recording, make some settings to better record the font. Drawing board selection small. Select the edit line. Move the cap height up to about this position. Move the blue width to the left of the center line and click Done. Click Return to Re-enter. The blue width line coincides with the center line. Record symbols and letters according to the reference file on the left. Save font after recording. Exit the software. In the software, click Settings and select Font Management. Select Cloud, enter the font account password, and download the font locally. Select our own font. Add text. We have turned on the functions of font deformation and stroke deformation, so the text will float randomly. Turn off the function. Adjust the letter spacing.